Hello, my name's Breanne Hanson. I am in the Breanne Engineering Group, and today is a day in my life.
One of the first things we got to do is get caught up on any emails and get a project tracking log out the door for a meeting this morning.
All right, headed to our first in-person meeting today, coordinating some sales and estimates. Next round of calls are online, so we will be joining those next.
We're finishing up this last Teams call of the morning.
Just got to grab a few more things so that we can get out of here to go to those site walks this afternoon. So one of the best things about my job is that I get out of the office a lot. So we're on our way to our first site visit to go meet with the client and see if we can scope out a potential project in what happens to be a lovely day in downtown Austin. All right, wrapping up our site visit, looking at a few things, and again, getting to enjoy downtown Austin.